Hi, I'm Meera, Head HR from Infotech IT Solutions. Managing HR can be tough for growing businesses. Hiring delays, payroll complexity, and tracking attendance are some of many challenges that HR teams face. But with Odoo, you can streamline all your HR operations. Let me show you how.
Every employee's journey begins with hiring. My team can create job profile in seconds with Odoo. Head over to the Recruitment app, click on New, add details, and publish. And applicants can apply for any role in just a few clicks. Just find the relevant job opening from the career page, fill in the details, add your resume, and apply. Doesn't matter if they are applying from our website, LinkedIn, or Indeed. With Odoo's link tracker, my team knows exactly where the applications are coming from. Screening the right candidate is also very easy, as Odoo lets us view all the communications and applications on a single dashboard. You can seamlessly move qualifying candidates across the selection stages using Kanban view. Odoo easily handles contracts and offer letters with one-click signature using the e-sign module. Once we find the perfect candidate, we welcome them with smooth and effective onboarding process. Again, Odoo takes care of everything. From creating employee's profile to securely managing the documents. Ensuring my HR team is focused on people and not on paperwork. Now that our new employee has settled in, managing their day-to-day activities becomes effortless with Odoo. Employees can mark their attendance, request time offs, and apply for reimbursements for corporate expenses just in a few clicks. Everything is super transparent and accessible both for employees and managers. But the best part? Attendance and time off are directly connected to payroll. Odoo automatically calculates salary, deductions, and overtime, which makes payroll process seamless and easy. When our employees grow and develop, Odoo makes performance reviews and appraisals extremely simple. And when they want to refer a friend to join our team, Odoo's referral app makes that process simple too. From hiring to promotions, Odoo HR replaces multiple disconnected tools with a single powerful platform so that you spend less time dealing with chaos and paperwork and more time with people that make it fun. Ready to scale your HR operations to next level? Try Odoo HR today.